Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tailor Brands logo downloads into Photoshop. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Tailor Brands website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the logos section of your account. Choose the logo you wish to download. Click on the download button associated with your chosen logo. Select the appropriate file format for your needs, typically PNG or SVG. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Open Adobe Photoshop. Now, go to the File menu in Photoshop. Select Open from the drop-down list. Navigate to the folder where your logo file is saved. Click on the logo file to select it, then click Open. Once the logo is open in Photoshop, you might want to adjust the canvas size. Go to the Image menu and select Canvas Size. Adjust the width and height as needed, then click OK. If you need to edit the logo further, consider using the various tools available in the toolbar. You can adjust colors, sizes, and add effects as desired. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose your preferred file format for saving, such as PSD or JPEG. Name your file and select the location where you want to save it. Finally, click Save and your logo is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.